Hello friends, welcome back to Manu with you ACC classes, and today I am going to share you again a new Excel video which is basically to remove duplicates from a set of database. Like you can see on the screen there are lots of duplicate entries of customer names, right? You can see here the 3 duplicate entry, we can see here 7 duplicate entry, 2 duplicate entry, right? So there are lots of duplicate entry, and how can we remove this from our database? So let's go and straight into our Excel file. Here go to the data tab and just go to data tools, right? You can see here to remove duplicate options is there. So what you have to do is just select the data where you want to remove the duplicates from. So just select this and go to remove duplicates, click here, and you see it is saying that to delete duplicate values, select one or more columns that contains duplicates. So our data is already selected, so you just have to hit OK, and ta-da, you have all your duplicate values removed, right? So it's very easy to do. Please try again and see you can do this or not. This is one of the this, and we have also one of the shortcut key that you can use to remove duplicates from your keyboard. So for that, I'll just go back to the original form of the data and click here and click Alt A M on my keyboard, and see I have got the options to remove the duplicates. Just press OK, and you have your values, duplicate value removed, and only you have unique 10 values removed remaining, right? So very easy to do. Please try, and share your comments, and please like, subscribe, and share this channel for more awesome videos. See you next time. Thank you.